Once upon a time, Rapunzel, who lives with her life partner, Flynn, is in their castle. Today, Flynn would went to look for the shining flower that Rapunzel's mother once consumed. Flynn went to the forest and found there is a flower similar to the shining flower that he has been looking for the past month. Without lingering, Flynn immediately took the flower and brought it back to the palace. It turns out that what makes Flynn have to look for this flower is because Rapunzel is sick and her mother suggests eating the shining flower. Unexpectedly, Rapunzel immediately recovered a few days later. Besides that, Rapunzel's once long hair was able to return for some reason. Today, Rapunzel and her family will donate to the victims of the natural disaster that just happened a few days ago. They all held donation activities on the side of the road in the palace area to make it easier to communicate with the community. But without them knowing, there was a pair of eyes that looked at them disapprovingly. It was Anastasia, the princess of the kingdom of Beleza. Anastasia is always jealous of Rapunzel because Rapunzel has a complete family and always looks happy. How not to be jealous? While Beleza, Anastasia's mother, had expelled her only child because it was considered disrespectful to her own grandfather. Anastasia deliberately put poison in her grandfather's drink just because she didn't like being advised by his grandfather. Anastasia is really jealous and annoyed with Rapunzel, who is always surrounded by good people. In the end, she had the heart to spread hoax news stating that Rapunzel's money was taken from the community for victims of natural disasters secretly and used for fun. But the news was immediately denied by Rapunzel. I have never done such disgusting behavior. I will only distribute the donation money the day after tomorrow, Rapunzel said firmly. But Anastasia laughed, because actually Anastasia had taken the donation money while the guards were resting. It was time for Rapunzel to share her donation money, but of course the money was not there and she immediately panicked. She immediately asked Flynn, "Flynn, did you see the donation money I kept here?" asked Rapunzel frantically. "I don't know, Rapunzel. I didn't come with you yesterday when you put the money," explained Flynn, who suddenly panicked. Rapunzel really confused what to do. All her good plans had to be ruined just like that. When she said that the donation money had been lost to the residents were immediately angry and started accusing Rapunzel. It turns out that what Anastasia said is true. Rapunzel has taken the donation money just for fun. "Excuse me, Rapunzel, what if the money is lost because you took it yourself?" The sarcasm of one of the citizens who was annoyed with Rapunzel. Finally, because of the anger of the citizens, Rapunzel and Flynn were expelled by the citizens from the palace. Anastasia is very happy because she succeeded in accusing Rapunzel with the hoax news she made. Then Anastasia took the donation box which she had hidden in her house while counting the donation on the terrace. Rapunzel and Flynn looked at it all. The two immediately grabbed Anastasia, who was holding the donation box. Anastasia, who is attracted to Rapunzel and Flynn, can only give up because her deeds have been exposed. The residents immediately gathered in the palace courtyard and heard Olaf Flynn's explanation, which stated that it was Anastasia who took the donation money. After being forced to confess, Anastasia finally admits to all her evil deeds, from accusing Rapunzel to where she took the donation box. The citizens who were angry immediately scolded Anastasia and immediately told her to leave. But all of that was helped by Rapunzel because she felt sorry, and besides that, Rapunzel had forgiven Anastasia because she remembered that humans must forgive each other, and it's not good to have a judge against others. Rapunzel immediately advised the residents who were emotional, and finally, the residents forgive Anastasia. Anastasia deeply regretted her actions. She immediately apologized to Rapunzel and Flynn. Finally, Anastasia left the Rapunzel kingdom, and Rapunzel and Flynn came back to live in peace. The end.